One.
Lots of times when studying the Bible, it's easy to just sort of focus on the eternal part of it, to talk about the end time or where we're going, and kind of ignore the things that are going on here or how we treat people. The way we treat people and the way we act is being pushed into the public discussion because of the things that are going on down in the southern states this past week. And well, I'm not overly political in some of those things. Nehemiah makes us think about them this week. Because in Nehemiah chapter 5, they talk about how they're dealing with the poor and with the disenfranchised and with those who are really, really struggling and with those who don't have very much. And surprisingly, God's people weren't dealing with them very well. So Nehemiah calls them back to a different standard. And it's a standard that we will talk about this Sunday, thinking about how we treat those around us as part of who we are as God's people. So Nehemiah chapter 5, go and read that this week. Then in our sermon, the sermon is called Simple but Not Simplistic. The gospel message is not hard to understand. In fact, it gets encapsulated in lots of really, really easy, simple, tiny words. Like in a song I'm going to sing with you on Sunday. That song, that simple little song, is going to be the basis for our sermon, and we're going to look at how what that song says teaches us a lot about God and the gospel. Simple messages and simple things can have huge impacts, and that's what we're going to talk about on Sunday morning. So, I think it's going to be really encouraging. VBS is coming up. We can be excited about that. Lots of good things going on. See you Sunday.